Hi guys, I'm Mike and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing, where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Brembo RCS16 and 19s. You could always reach out to the team at MotovationUSA to get more information on which Brembo master cylinder is going to fit best on your sport bike, naked bike, or super naked. Replacing your OEM master cylinders to the RCS line is going to give you a great feel for performance, and you can actually actuate it with just one finger. There's nothing like it out here on the market, and it's amazing quality. It's also a breakaway. So let's say if you were to have a bad day or anything like that, this will be replaceable. The actual lever itself, you don't have to replace the entire master cylinder. The body is forged from aluminum alloy and partially CNC machined. The piston, seal, and push rod are the same specification as MotoGP and WSB. So you can imagine how amazing these are gonna feel when you're actually on the road. Each RCS is fitted with a forged aluminum lever that could be replaced in case of anything. The kit comes complete with a micro switch for the rear brake. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more brief unboxing. I appreciate you tuning in. Let me know which brief unboxing would you like to see next, the Rizoma reservoirs or the SE Project exhaust. I would love to hear your comments down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one.